Dasmariñas, kadalasang pinaiikling Dasma ay isang unang klaseng bayan na naging isang ganap na lungsod na nasa lalawigan ng Cavite, Pilipinas. Ito ay matatagpuan sa layong 30 kilometro timog ng Maynila. Naging lungsod ang Dasmariñas sa pamamagitan ng Republic Act 9723 na pinagkaloob ng Pangulo noong 15 October 2009. Pinagtipay na ganap na plebisito noong nakaraang 26 Noyembre 2009 ay pinamagulang ng pangalan ng Dasmariñas ay si Gomez Perez de Dasmariñas, isang Kastilang gobernador sa Pilipinas noong 1519 hanggang 1593. Mepo ay nabibilang sa Barangay Sampaloc, IB.
Ay Barangay Sampaloc
4. Immaculate Conception Parish Church, Dasmariñas. The Immaculate Conception Parish Church, also known as the Dasmariñas Church, is the first Catholic parish church in the city of Dasmariñas, province of Cavite, Philippines. The stone church was constructed right after the establishment of Dasmariñas as a separate parish in 1866. The church and convent was the site of bloodshed during the Battle of Perez, Dasmariñas of the Philippine Revolution against Spain. It was declared as an important historical structure by the National Historical Institute, now National Historical Commission of the Philippines, with the placing of a historical maker in 1986 on 7 December 2002, the venerated and miraculous image of the patroness city of Dasmariñas, the Lady Immaculate, Most Rev. Manuel Sobrevinas D. Now the Bishop Emeritus of Imus, and on the next day, 8 December 2002, on the occasion of the solemnity of the Immaculate Conception. The parish church was dedicated to God by now the Archbishop of Manila, Most Rev. Luis Antonio G. Tagle, STHD. It celebrated its 150th jubilee year on July 5, 2017. Parish of Dasmariñas.
Ito po ang simbahan ng Immaculate Conception Parish.
Parish of Dasmariñas, then known as Perez Dasmariñas, started as a chapel of Parish of Imus, its former mother town during the Spanish colonial period. Perez Dasmariñas then was a barrio in the part of the Hacienda de Imus estate owned and administered by the Augustinian Recollects after the establishment of Perez das Marinas as a politically separate town on May 12, 1864. A petition was sent to Madrid by Recollects for the creation of a new parish for the sake of people of a growing town and for their own interest. Hence, on October 21, and 1866, Her Most Catholic Majesty Queen Isabella II signed the royal order creating the new parish of Perez das Marinas. Paru-Paru Festival. Paru-Paru Festival is the official festival of the city of Das Marinas, as declared in Resolution No. 969 2011, and Das Marinas as declared in Resolution No. 96 2000 and Special Ordinance in 2011 enacted then by City Mayor Jennifer Estrella Barsaga and the Sangguniang Palungsod. Pagamutan ng Das Marinas. It is a tertiary government hospital located in the city of Das Marinas, province of Cavite. Pagamutan is a 5-story hospital with a hotel, Feel Like Future, which includes a room with a sophisticated chandelier, water features, garden decks, and wellness decks. The hospital is adjacent to other government buildings, which makes it more accessible for the people of the city. It is dedicated to serve the people of the city with advanced technology, modern equipment, and quality government service. Promenade de Das Marinas. What used to be an amusing idle land by the river, measuring more than 2 hectares in area along Mangubad Avenue here, has now transformed into a world-class Promenade des Marinas, a public park where city residents can enjoy, relax, unwind, and exercise.